Hello, everyone. This is our Group 4 presentation on Herbert A. Simon. Simon is best known for his research in decision-making within organizations, which included his theories on bounded rationality and a term he coined, satisficing. In 1975, he also won the A.M. Turing Award for his work and contribution in computer science. In 1978, he also won the Nobel Prize in Economics for his pioneering work in research into decision-making process within economic organizations. It should be noted that Simon was actually a cognitive psychologist, as that is a very specific field and makes his qualifications for his theories that much stronger. Simon's theory on bounded rationality has perhaps had the most influence on many industries today. We see it in economics, we see it in management, we see it in communications, and several other related fields. This theory basically described the limitations of human decision making, which are based on three primary non mathematical and very human conditions. These are emotional, social, and psychological. The theory explains how cognitive limitation of the human mind and the time availability to make the decisions can interfere with consistency and optimal choices for the same problem between organization leaders, workers, and communicators. This basically states that because we're all human and we all have different experiences to draw upon, even though we're facing the same problem or reaching towards the same goal, we may not always come up with the same conclusion, even within our own thinking. Bounded rationality is more concerned with the ways in which we actually make decisions than the actual decisions we make, if that makes sense. His theory on satisficing evolved from the bounded rationality theory. Satisficing takes place when an individual arrives at a decision that is good enough according to the information at hand. A decision resulting from satisficing is not necessarily the best decision, but rather one that's considered adequate for the achievement of the current goals. This is where Simon differs from other classical decision-making theorists. Basically, these are theories that presume that decision makers to be actors who seek optimal or maximal solutions. Through this theory, Simon believes that everyday decision making is based on the need to satisfy. Simon's theories laid the foundation for the study of heuristics. Heuristics are cognitive tools that can help us make quick decisions or judgments based on our past experience. It might not involve making the best decision, but rather the decision that we feel is most appropriate at any given moment. Simon's ideas today. Consider the example we have here of an individual selling an item and the decision making that goes into that transaction. Heuristics are now widely studied and applied in advertising, marketing, political campaigns, consumer manipulation, and other news reporting and entertainment across all major media platforms, from the old to the new. And a lot of this we owe to Simon's research and work over the years. From everyone at Group 4, thank you for reviewing our presentation, and we look forward to your comments.